CVIS, Cooperative Vehicle Infrastructure Systems. CVIS is a European research project focusing on cooperative systems. Vehicles and infrastructures communicate with each other to make the roads safer and more efficient. This video will focus on 3 applications tested in the French test site. Access control to sensitive areas. The traffic manager defines areas where the access is controlled based on static and dynamic vehicle diagnostic data like fuel autonomy, type of transported goods, or engine emission level. Sensitive areas can be, for example, tunnels, environmental zones, roadwork, marketplaces, etc. In our case, it is the tunnel Fourvière. As the vehicle approaches the Lyon metropolitan area, it receives a list of sensitive areas within Lyon. When the vehicle approaches the tunnel Fourvière, it exchanges with the infrastructure its diagnostic information. The Access Control Service Center processes this information and grants the access. We can see that the truck is complying with all the rules: no dangerous goods, proper dimensions, clean engine, enough fuel autonomy, and overall vehicle health. While inside the area, the vehicle is monitored by the Access Control Center to detect changes like breakdowns. Dynamic speed limit. To prevent traffic jams, or in case of accident, the city operator can remotely and dynamically configure a portion of the road with a new speed limit. This is achieved with the so-called roadside units. These are computers equipped with a large range of communication media located on the infrastructure. As the truck is approaching the roadside unit, it receives broadcast messages with the dynamic speed information about the road elements in the vicinity. The driver is informed of the new speed limit and warned that he is speeding. Highway parking booking. The fleet manager reserves a parking space for his trucks on his fleet management system. The onboard system automatically checks the estimated time of arrival and can reschedule the reservation if the truck will not make it on time. Reservation can also be made automatically based on the tachograph information to help the driver respect his allowed driving time. As the truck approaches towards the parking entrance, it communicates with the roadside unit over short-range communication. The vehicle sends its registration number and its reservation credentials. The roadside unit checks the reservation with the parking operator back-office system over 3G. The variable message sign informs the driver about the process and guides him to his reserved parking space. The parking operator can see instantly that this parking space is now occupied. Now that the driver is rested, he can safely continue his trip. The system knows that the parking space is now free and usable for another vehicle. The same application can also be used to book loading bays in a urban environment. You have seen 3 examples of services that can be deployed on the CVIS platform and use vehicle-to-infrastructure communications. They lead to optimized and safe use of the available road network and enhanced driver awareness of the traffic around him and what traffic regulations apply. The cooperative system platform is open to many other potential applications that will support the drivers of the future.